In this video, I'm going to show you how you could fix your controller input lag here in Fortnite Chapter 7. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if your button presses or your aim feel like slightly delayed, what you're going to want to do is begin by opening up your Fortnite settings. And once you do get into your Fortnite settings, we're going to start on the video tab. Now on the video tab, scroll down and you're going to see a window mode. Go ahead and set this to full screen. Windowed full screen actually adds delay. And any other option, obviously Windows is going to add delay as well. So make sure you have this set to full screen. The only reason I have mine to windowed full screen is because I'm recording right now. But from here, go down a little bit and make sure you turn VSync off and then turn show FPS down at the very bottom on. And then from here, go ahead and scroll back up and set your frame rate limit to whatever your monitor's refresh rate is. For example, if I have a 120 hertz monitor, I'd set this to 120. I have 240 hertz though, so mine is set to 240. These changes help keep the game smooth and responsive, but in terms of controller as well, if the delay has obviously nothing to do with game settings, first, just make sure that you're not using Bluetooth with your controller. Bluetooth gets extremely weak through desks, distance, and obstacles, and a weak signal obviously means you're going to get major input delay. Instead, use a wired USB-C cable. This is going to work on PS5, Xbox, and PC, and it's going to give you the strongest connection and the lowest delay. This alone can massively improve input response, so I would definitely do that first. But that's really all you need to do. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.